Dear children, this is the second module we are going to discuss. In this module we are going to discuss is box plot. Instead of line, bar and a histogram, pie chart, we can also draw box data visualization. So box plot is a graphical representation of 5 number summary, that is with a given set of data. The maximum, minimum, first quartile, second quartile, which is the median, and third quartile. So all these will be in a box plot. Look at the figure given. So which shows the maximum value, minimum value, first quartile, median, third quartile. So each, instead of bar, we can have each box with all these values: minimum value, maximum value, first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. Normally second quartile will be considered as median. Then look at the program I had written. I had imported the matplotlib library, pyplot as plt. Then I used 3 set of values, value 1, value 2, value 3. Then I used a data of nested list. Data is a nested list of value 1, value 2 and value 3. Then I tried to draw a box plot using data. So each box having, the first box will have the value of value 1. Second box will have the value of value 2. Third box will have the value of value 3, val 3. And I am giving the series label, series as the label, series 1, series 2 and series 3 for each box. So my dear children, look at the example. What is the maximum value in the first box? It is 2. Sorry, minimum value it is 2, maximum value 8. The quartile, the median quartile will be 4. The first quartile will be 2 point, that will be, it may be 3. And the third quartile will be 6. Then look at the next series. What is the maximum value? It may be 11. And the third quartile will be 9. The second quartile will be 8. The first quartile will be 7. And the minimum value will be 5. So like that we have to take each and every values in a box. And also look at this labels. Series 1 for box 1, series 2 is for box 2 and series 3 for box 3. Coming to the next example, I had added 2 extra modules, patch artist and notch. Here notch is nothing but, the Malayalam meaning of notch is nothing but a width, that is it is like a width, it is like a narrow banded, the broad banded and narrow banded, like that it is having the meaning. Okay, top notch, that means it is having a different meaning, that is the highest precedence or highest priority, highest valued, more valuable, like that, top notch. But here it means its meaning is narrow, like that it is having a meaning. True creates notched box plot, otherwise creates a rectangular box plot. Look at here, it is having a cut in the median. It is having a cut in the median. It is narrowed in the median. So like that we are having a notch attribute. Then patch artist true fills the box with a color. So the same example will create the values. Then more about box plot. IQR, interquartile range also we can give. It always lies between 25th to 75th percentile. Percentile is nothing but the percentage. Minimum will be Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. Maximum will be Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So consider this is a box plot. Here the first quartile means what? 25th percentile. The second quartile indicates what? The 50 percentage അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 50 percentile, then 75th percentile. Then outliers, that is minimum and maximum we are having. So this is the perfect picture of a box plot. I think you are all clear about how to draw a box plot and how to get the values, minimum value, maximum value, the first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. First quartile means 25th percentile, that is quarter portion, then half portion, then 3/4 portion. Like that we are having the box. The median plot always will be the second quartile. I think you are all clear. If you are having any doubt, it will be clarified in the online session. Thank you.